Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Calling Batch Scripts from Python, Dealing with Environment Issues. Introduction. Batch scripts are a convenient way to automate tasks on Windows systems. You can execute them from the command prompt, but sometimes you might need to call batch scripts from a Python program. While this can be a straightforward process, you may encounter some environment issues when running batch scripts from Python. In this tutorial, we'll explore these issues and provide code examples on how to call batch scripts from Python effectively. Prerequisites. Environment issues. Different environment variables. When you run a batch script from Python, it may not have access to the same environment variables as when run from the command prompt. This can lead to issues if your script relies on specific environment variables. Path differences. Batch scripts often depend on the path variable to locate external programs or scripts. When you run a batch script from Python, the path variable may not be set correctly. Working directory. The working directory may be different when running a batch script from Python. This can affect the relative paths within the batch script. To address these issues, we can use the subprocess module in Python. Example code. Let's consider a simple batch script that creates a text file and writes hello, world, to it. hello_world.bat. Now, we'll create a Python script to call this batch script. Explanation. We import the subprocess module to interact with the operating system and execute external commands. We specify the path to the batch script, hello_world.bat, that we want to run. We check if the batch script file exists to avoid errors. We use subprocess.run to execute the batch script. Setting shell equals true allows us to use the batch script as if it were called from the command prompt. We catch any exceptions that may occur during the script execution. By using subprocess.run, with shell equals true, we mitigate some of the environment issues. However, you may need to set specific environment variables or work with the working directory if your batch script relies on them. Conclusion. Calling batch scripts from Python can be convenient, but it requires careful consideration of potential environment issues. By using the subprocess module and understanding these issues, you can effectively automate tasks using batch scripts within your Python programs. ChatGPT.